लबरेज इश्क से चलता रहे पैमाना, आबाद तेरा साकी यूं ही रहे मैं खाना।
India, Bharatvarsha, has always been a rich source of spiritual knowledge. The Vedas, Shastras, Ramayana, Sakhis of Kabir Das, Guru Granth Sahib, and many more are the invaluable treasure of the infinite spiritual knowledge. Reading, listening, and meditating over all of these may not be impossible, but it is really difficult for the householders. Param Sant Mahatma Sri Yashpal Ji Maharaj, a renowned Grihasti householder saint, established Akhil Bharatiya Santmat Satsang in 1969. It aims at the attainment of Jivan Mukta Avastha, self-realization, following the practice of Ananda Yoga. Ananda Yoga is a practical method which enables all to tread the path of spirituality and attain self-realization, the main aim of human birth, while performing all the worldly duties with perfection. With the blessings of the saints of the order, Pujya Bhai Sahib Ji evolved the simple middle path of Ananda Yoga. This method of spiritual practice is based on Iti Marg, the method of addition. Presently, Param Sant Mahatma Sri Suresh Ji Maharaj has kept this ancient lamp of Anand Yoga illuminated. Param Sant Mahatma Sri Suresh Ji, fondly known as Param Pujya Bhaiya Ji, is a present Sanrakshak of ABSS and a profound practitioner of Anand Yoga. Born and brought up in a pious family environment, seeds of spiritualism are deeply embedded in Sri Suresh Bhaiya Ji's persona. Pujya Bhaiya Ji received the spiritual training under the direct supervision of his respected father, Param Sant Mahatma Sri Yashpal Ji Maharaj, who also was his spiritual master. He developed the quality of selfless service under the love and guidance of his respected mother, Param Pujya Srimati Roopwati Devi Ji. He is continually imparting the invaluable knowledge of Anand Yoga throughout India and overseas by personally conducting the spiritual programs. Being a family man and retired, having served as a professional in the coordination office of Indian Telephonic Industries, he is devoting his entire time for the activities of ABSS. Today, irrespective of caste, creed, color or religion, several lakhs of aspirants are getting blessed with spiritual knowledge being imparted by Param Pujya Bhaiya Ji. Numerous free of cost Adhyatmik Mahotsavas, spiritual functions are being organized throughout the country and overseas. During these Mahotsavas, seekers are able to avail the opportunity to participate in the concentration and meditation sessions, which helps them to elevate themselves mentally, psychologically, emotionally, and spiritually. Followers of ABSS experience peace and serenity at Sant Yashroop Tapbhumi Parisar. It is situated at Anandpur village, Faridabad, Haryana. Surrounded by green hillocks, the place is situated in the lap of Mother Nature, which provides a refuge to the stressed minds of the seekers and helps in breaking the monotony of the fast-paced life. The ashram has well-equipped rooms to facilitate aspirants who visit there to rejuvenate their mind and soul by participating in activities carried out throughout the year. Ashram schedules are so planned to keep aspirants involved in spiritual activities throughout the day for the utmost benefit of their stay. The activities of ABSS can broadly be grouped under spiritual, ethical, moral and material development through spiritual practices, quality education and medical services along with the environment protection. Param Sant Mahatma Yashpal Ji Maharaj established 2 health services centers. One of the ABSS medical hospital is Sant Brijmohan Lal Charitable Hospital, situated at Sant Yashroop Tapobhumi Parisar, Anandpur, Faridabad. The facility of free medical consultation, health checkups and treatment is available at the hospital throughout the year. Also, special health checkup camps are being organized during all the spiritual functions held at ABSS Ashram Anandpur. The other medical center is situated at Nagpur, Maharashtra, named as Sant Yashpal Charitable Hospital. This hospital provides free medical care services to poor and needy people. With a vision of providing quality education in rural and backward areas, Param Pujya Sant Mahatma Yashpal Ji Maharaj established Sant Brij Mohan Lal Senior Secondary School at village Anandpur, Haryana in 1985. The school curriculum is cast in a manner so as to provide foundation of skill boosters along with spiritual inclination. Quality education maintaining the standards of metropolitan city is being provided through all the schools situated at Faridabad, Jabalpur and Rajmundry, Andhra Pradesh. Another successful attempt has also been made to establish Sant Yashroop Institute of Technology and Management. The only aim of Param Pujya Bhayaji's life is to propagate the message of ABSS and his Sadgurudev to the sea of humanity, to attain the state of everlasting peace and bliss in this very human life, Jeevan Mukt Avastha.